Hey guys, Katie here for 5 Days of Awesome, and first thing I want to say is sorry for the video quality because I'm filming off of my laptop, so the film quality isn't very good, and that's my MSN saying something like that. This is being is good, so it's more from what I could understand from Lexi, it's kind of an apology thing. So when I heard that, I decided I would make cake. So I made a cake, right? Yep. Because I'm that good at cooking. And it's it turns out if you leave cake mixture in the oven for 2 hours, it burns. Oopsie. So I made an imaginary cake. You ready? Here you go. Oh, wait, you don't want it? It's like this thing. You know? I put it in the fridge for you. You get it back. Okay? And look how that cake is. Come my way, you cake. So I'm not quite. Oh, yeah, I got the list of punishments and stuff. I'm not quite sure which one was mine, so I'm guessing that will be next week that I'll be doing the punishment. But 5 weeks and 5 days after, since last week when we found out Mary was leaving us. So I wish Mary all the best with his vlog and stuff, and I hope that we can all keep in touch with you, Mary, because you're awesome. So let's keep in touch. Now with questions. Kimm? Oh, sorry, I'm looking at my notes. It's on cardboard. Kimm, you were talking about spring break. We don't have a spring break here. Our year starts the end of January, and this when I was counting, this is done last week, and we've got 2 more to pick up 11 minutes time. So we've got 2 weeks, we've got second term with 2 weeks, then 2 weeks holidays, third term, 2 weeks of holidays, fourth term, and then we've got 6 odd weeks of holidays for Christmas. So we just live with it until the end. Also, was that the burger you were eating? Was that KFC? Because if Hank can't eat KFC, I will give him a Twitter hug. I will send you guys a picture of me sending a Twitter message to Hank, giving him a Twitter hug because he's gonna eat KFC. Because KFC is bloody awesome. So tell me what we'll do that, and I'll send you guys a picture, and I'll put it in my next vlog. Lexi, you were saying you wanted it to be summer and spring again. It's actually autumn over here. It's just ended the last month. This is the first month in autumn. So we've only just gone out of our summer, so it means we're starting to get rain again. But you were saying that you didn't like winter. But I'm actually quite opposite to you with that. I actually love winter. I'm a winter baby, so I spend most of my life in winter. I love the cold. And you didn't like that. So it all just goes like that. So I will see you guys next week for 5 days of awesome. Later! CFCAD! Bye!